Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Coinbase to understand crypto risks for insurance planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Coinbase and understand crypto risks for insurance planning, start by creating an account on Coinbase. Visit the Coinbase website or download the mobile app. Click on Get Started to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your email is verified, log in to your Coinbase account. Provide the required personal information, including your name, phone number, and address. Complete identity verification by uploading a government-issued ID. Link your bank account or credit card to your Coinbase account for buying and selling crypto. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your crypto portfolio. Familiarize yourself with the different cryptocurrencies available on Coinbase. Click on Prices to analyze the current values of various cryptocurrencies. Understand the volatility in crypto markets by reviewing historical price charts. Assess your risk exposure by considering how much of your portfolio is in crypto. Explore the Learn section on Coinbase for educational materials on crypto risks. Take note of the regulatory environment impacting cryptocurrencies. Research insurance products that cover crypto assets, if available in your area. Consult financial professionals to discuss integrating crypto into your insurance planning. Document your findings and strategies for managing crypto-related risks. Regularly monitor your Coinbase account and market trends to stay informed. Adjust your insurance plan as needed based on your crypto asset performance. By following these steps, you can effectively connect Coinbase and navigate the risks associated with cryptocurrencies in the context of insurance planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.